I'm Stephen Heinz. I'm the president of the Rockefeller Brothers Fund.
The sanctions have not been effective for many reasons. A couple of these to mention. One is Institute for International Education, the organization that's responsible for Fulbright scholarships, for example. Just in the last 2 years, they've brought 50 students from Iran, so it's fabulous. The Homeland Security checks these people out, State Department gets visas for them, and they come here.
Thank you very much, Nushin Hashemi, who was one of the founders of the Hand Foundation.
تحریم به تنهایی ایران رو برای ما نمی‌گشاید. اقتصاد ایران به خرابکاران داخلی نیاز داره. این جمله نوشین هاشمی رئیس بنیاد هند در حضور خانواده راکفلر هاست. یکی از کارهای نوشین هاشمی در بنیاد هند اینه که نخبگان ایرانی رو شناسایی و با پول خانواده راکفلر